Now today we'll discuss different thing, which is again one is the civil law and the criminal law, and then I will talk about the different courts of India. Now civil law deals with the different dispute between two individuals or two parties, in which there is one plaintiff and the other is the accused. Now criminal law deals with the offences which are against the public interest or against the state. In it, one is the accused and the other is the public prosecutor. Now we proceed to the different courts of India. There are different courts of India. First is the Supreme Court. Supreme Court is located in New Delhi, and it just takes all the things which are from lower courts can be given as a appeal to this court. Second is the High Court. High Court is located in the capital of a state. Every state has one capital, and there it is located, this High Court. Third comes the District Court and the Session Court. They are located in the district of any state. Then comes the Magistrate Court. Now there are different procedures which can deal with it. Now Supreme Court, in Supreme Court, appeal can be done. Now District Court and Session Court, what happens? They can only give the fine and imprisonment up to 5 years or depending on the guilt. Now, but one thing is there in Session Court, that it cannot give the death sentence. For that he has to take permission from the High Court. Now in district magistrates, the person deals with all the minor matters of the legal things which are catered by the magistrate court. Now we comes to the main is the magistrate court. What are the position? Now if there is a metropolitan city, then the magistrate there is given a different name. In metropolitan city, more than 1 million population, it is called the chief metropolitan magistrate. If it is first class magistrate, then it is called first class metropolitan magistrate. In magistrate court, there are three parts. First is a CGM, that is chief judicial magistrate. Second is the first class magistrate, and third is the second class magistrate. They have different powers. Now the CGM, that is chief judicial magistrate, he can give imprisonment up to 7 years and fine can be unlimited. Now the first class magistrate, it can only give imprisonment up to 3 years and 10,000 fine. Now the third is the second class magistrate, which can only give punishment up to 1 year or imprisonment up to 1 year and fine of 5,000 only. This is all about the magistrate. I think you have liked my lecture. Please subscribe it.